everyone, my papa bought so many fruits and vegetables from the fruits and vegetables market, and today I'm going to clean them, sort them, and then I'm going to keep them on the fridge. And I have lots of fruits over here. I have some cherries and oranges and lots of mangoes. First, I'm going to sort all of my oranges, and then I'm going to put them in this tub. This tub is full of water, so the oranges get washed. And over here my mama has given me a towel from which I'm going to wipe every orange. So first I will sort every orange. Now let's wash it. Now my tub is full, so now I'm going to wipe them. I love to create fruits and help my mother. Now I washed all of my oranges, and now I'm going to wipe them. Now it's done. Now I'm going to keep it in basket. This is my orange organizer. Now I'm going to keep all my oranges. Now I'm going to keep in fridge. Later I'm going to enjoy my orange juice. Sorting of orange is done. Now I'm going to sort my mangoes and wipe them. As you know, it is season of mangoes, so I have lots of yummy mangoes. And they look so fresh too. Now my container is full, so now I am going to wipe these mangoes. Now I clean all my mangoes, and now I am going to wipe them. Now I wipe all my mangoes. Now I am going to keep it in fridge. So many mangoes are here, so I am going to keep few. Now I am going to keep in fridge. As you can see, I have sorted my oranges and mangoes. Now I am going to keep my cherries in this box. I am not going to wash this cherry because it will get rotten. I will just plug this thing out. I clean my all cherries. Now I'm going to store in fridge. Now I'm going to keep in fridge. We divided our work. My mama sort all vegetables and I sort all fruits. Now I'm going to keep all vegetables in the fridge.